Hello and welcome to my jewelry land. Let's see what I have for you today. I want to show you Signet ring, specifically the ones that inspired by Tom Wood design, and we have in 4 different style. We have this Signet ring in oval shape. You can see the black color is enamel, is the paint, is not a stone, is paint. We call it enamel. And we have the minimal design, and this one is a little bit more chunky. And they are very classic, unisex, both for men and women. I sell to both, and I have these in all different sizes from size 4 up to size 11. So don't worry about your ring size, just DM me and check my website. You can figure it out. Look at the design. It's perfect for casual and classy style. I also have that design in silver color. So the material is also stainless steel, which means never fade the color, never get your finger black. These are the current questions that you're always asking me. So you can use it without any worry. Go to the swimming, go to the shower, and enjoy this timeless design Signet ring. So this is another design, the square shape. This one is a bit bigger than the other one. This one is very delicate and classy. It's my best-selling one in my collection, and all of my clients are super happy with this design. We have it. This one is, you can compare the size, and you can find it for any finger you wish for, and it finds in silver color as well. Yeah, actually I made them based on my customer demand, and they always ask me if I can make it in silver and gold color in different sizes, so I just made it. You can find them on my website, see the pictures more clearly. On the model we have both guys and girls. So here we have all the design, the oval shape in 2 different sizes, in square shape in 2 different sizes, both in silver and gold color. So this is 18 karat gold filled in on stainless steel, has 2 years guarantee, and in a very high quality. If you like it, comment below I like it. So till next time, see you soon. So much love is always here.